I know I know you from somewhere, but where do I know you?
Who, Ronan?
Yes.
He knows you. Morning. Today is March 10th, 2024. Brett and I made it to Billings, Montana. We're staying with his sister and her husband. I just got ready for the day. I think we're heading to Bozeman, Montana, which is about 2 hours from here. They have a whole itinerary for us for the rest of the week. We're gonna be leaving March 16th, so we have a whole week ahead of us. And I think they're kind of planning out everything for us because I've been to Montana, but not this part of Montana. In case you're wondering, yes, I'm wearing a beanie that has cat ears and I'm wearing my mom's flannel. Hi! We're actually staying in the basement, which has like 5 rooms down here, it feels like. Surprisingly, there's no snow on the ground. I guess they said they had a pretty like mild winter today, or winter this year. They have chickens! There's this cute swing. They have a really nice house.
We're all gonna die.
Hello,
Howdy, howdy. Doing good?
Good. How do you guys? Currently, we have our youngest outside. That is Max. And so whenever he's ready to go in, we'll...
I bought hiking shoes yesterday and the ground is very muddy. So I'm gonna switch into those really quick. These are my new hiking boots. Oh.
Just don't let you just chuck it at the camera.
Max. He's 5 years old and he's over 1,000 pounds.
They're all coming out because we're over here. Hi! You have a horn growing out of your brain. Oh my.
Watch out cheese. How much
They got some good cheese. Ah! Don't bite me!
What are you doing? You itching the booty hole? Sorry, you have to cut that out. I love it.
Are we gonna lick it?
No,
Don't lick it?
no, your tongue will probably be stuck to it.
No, it won't.
Yeah, like a metal pole in the winter.
I can't even reach. Ah!
I'm holding you this way.
You're like pushing me into the hard ice. Pizza! Well, this is where we just were. Didn't get to film much. Good morning. Today is day 2 on our trip. Today we're going to Cody, Wyoming, but I think it's gonna be more of like a family day because we're seeing Brent's aunt. I've never been to Cody, Wyoming. I'm not really sure what's over there. I know we're gonna meet up and have lunch with her. Today's forecast, it is cloudy and it's 44 degrees out. Any words for where we're at?
This is Cody, Wyoming.
How do you?
They have the best margarita pizza to date in this country.
Yeah, here's a picture on the screen right by his head. That's the margarita pizza I just ate. It was delicious.
Goodbye.
So unfortunately the old town of Cody is closed behind me for the winter time. They reopen in summer. So we sadly cannot go in, but we can see it from the parking lot here. I don't know why it's not open because there's clearly no snow. Good morning. Today is March. I just looked and I forgot. It's March 12th today and it's 10 o'clock. Brent and I just went to Natural Grocers, which is their health food store in Billings. It's actually pretty nice. Kind of reminds me of like Sprouts or something. We picked up some goodies, got some bagels and crackers and like sausage for breakfast. This whole little box of groceries that fit on my lap, this was $53. All of this. There's not even a lot. It's kind of overcasted today, not sure what the plan is. We wanted to go skiing at Red Lodge, but I don't really know. It's kind of late now, so we're just gonna go back, eat breakfast, and figure out what the day holds. Stretching. We've been in the car driving for like 40 minutes now, I think. We're on our way to Big Timber Lake. There's a hike there, I guess. I don't know, McKaylee's just taking us. We did go to the store to buy snow spikes. That's what it's called. You put them on your shoes so that you don't like slip on the snow as much. I am trying to charge my drone because I want to get some cool shots, but it's not really charging in the car. To the crazy mountains, but we have an obstacle in the way.
If we had a shovel, we could do it. Dang it, Will.
How does this even happen? That's not gonna help.
There's no way.
Oh, careful, careful, dude. Here, straighten out your tire.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's where he was trying to take me.
Yeah. Today is our last day in Montana and we're gonna be skiing in Bozeman, which is 2 hours from here. We're gonna be skiing pretty much all day. I think we'll be getting there basically around 10 or 11 o'clock. So we'll be skiing until probably 4:30 because that's when they close. As you saw, we already went skiing on Wednesday in Red Lodge, Montana. And it was so much fun. And I wish I brought my GoPro because Brent was falling pretty much every time he went down the slope, like multiple times. It was so funny. We're gonna give skiing another try and it's gonna be blue skies today so we can actually see the view. Very excited. And it's probably gonna be like in the low 30s again today. So it's gonna be a little bit chilly. Let's go.
Ready to go back to home.
Thank you guys for watching my Montana vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Me ending in a gas station.